was wondering if you want to go out and stuff. Probably won't answer me.
Hey, Teddy baby. Voicemail. Oh my god.
He probably won't answer now because he knows it's going to be the same person.
Hey, Teddy baby. Just wondering if you want to still bang later.
Do it.
Hey, Teddy baby. I was just wondering if you still wanted to, like, you know, get it on later. Give me a call at 1-800 penis. Alright? Alright, baby. I love you. Kiss, kiss.